Today we are comparing a ceramic coating product and a sealant. They're different kinds of products, but we know they have a similar purpose, which protects the car body from environmental effects. In the water repellency test, I'm trying to give equal water droplets to both sides. If you were a car coating manufacturer, just send us a sample and we can make you a video about your products. The main impulse in water repellency is the contact angles of water droplets. The absolute winning product is the Ceramic Pro. You can see the application videos of the products at the end of the video. On the Ceramic Pro side, we see muddy water flowing. We make scratches with a lighter. I will share the name and price of the products, and purchase links will be available in the comments below. If you want to see the new products, please leave some comments about it. New videos will be added weekly. If you like and subscribe, it will be so helpful for us to use more different products and reach a wider audience.